All right, for this project, you are going to be creating a Google Slides presentation. Now, you've been creating Google Docs where you've been doing your writing pieces, and it's very similar how you set it up. But when you get to your drive, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to hit New. And instead of getting a Google Doc, you're going to go to Google Slides. Okay, so it started a new presentation for you. You can see here on this side that you can choose from a list of different themes for your background. You don't have to worry about that right now, but if you'd like to choose a theme or a color scheme, whatever you want your background to look like, you can go ahead and pick that. Up here in your title, I want you to label it Natural Disaster Project and then put your name behind it. And then very first thing you do when you create a project or you're writing a paper, share it with me. So go ahead and hit share. And then when you start to type in my email address, it should come up, and then share it with me. Okay, so now here's a few things that I want to show you on Google Slides that you have not seen before. Okay, so the first thing, you have a list of 8 slides that you have to have in your project, which we went over in class. And so your first page would be your title page, whatever the natural disaster is that you've chosen. And you're going to add your title here. So let's say that you're doing floods. Okay. All right, so I want to show you, let's say that you want to change your background or add a picture. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go up here at the top where it says Insert, Image. Okay, so here you can go to Search and it will search Google for you. So I'm searching floods. And I'm going to choose an image that I want to use on my PowerPoint slide. Okay, so it automatically puts the image in there for you. You can adjust the size. This is just like what you did on your Google Docs in your last project for your informational writing piece, where you insert the picture. Okay, now let's say you want to show a video. All right, you're going to do this a very similar step-by-step piece. You're going to go Insert Video, and it's going to bring you to YouTube where you can search whatever it is that you are studying. So let's just say I choose this video and I select it. Okay, so now the video is embedded in my presentation. Now, if you try to watch the video right now, it will not play when you're in your editing mode on your project. So you're going to have to go to View and Present. It's going to have to be in presentation mode for you to be able to play the video from your presentation. So don't be alarmed right now if you can't view the video while you're editing, but when you present it, you should be able to play the video directly from your presentation instead of having to click a link and go to that link. Okay? All right, now let's say this is my first slide and I'm finished with my first slide and I want to add my next slide. There's a couple of different ways you can do this. You can hit the plus sign right here, new slide. It creates a brand new slide with the same theme that you chose in the very beginning. All right, or you can go new and then create a new one there, or you can just hit return or enter and it gives you the next page. Okay, so remember you have to have a minimum of 8 slides, which I think most of you will have more than that. There are different things that you can do, like let's say that you want to change the background in one of your slides. You can go to Slide, Change Background. You can choose a color. You can change the theme. So right now I chose like this get gray background for all of my slides. You can change that if you'd like to. You can also change the transition. So what that means is that when you go from slide to slide, it will do something. You can have it fade from slide to slide, slide right from left, slide left from right. So I'll show you what that looks like. All right, so if I presented this, it would fade into the next slide. So it's just kind of like a nice transition to put in there when you're presenting. All right. I think that's all you will be needing to know for this project. If there's anything in here, if you wanted to create a chart, we've learned how to do like bar graphs and pie charts. If you wanted to create a chart of the data of different natural disasters that you're studying, you can do that here by going to chart and then creating it from here. You learned how to do that as well in your Google Doc presentation. So if you have any questions, let me know.